evening carries something I've been trying not to feel. It moves inside the quiet, like a whisper turning real. I follow where it leads me, down the corners of the light, and suddenly I'm breathing in the color of